Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, I would like to create a part 2 for daily activities. I created a part 1 a few days ago, which was requested by one of my awesome subscribers. If we haven't met before, my name is Bo. Hi! And my goal is to teach you English so that you feel confident when you're listening to a native English speaker as well as speaking to a native English speaker. In today's episode, I will talk about my daily routine. I've already posted a video about what I do during the week, which is Monday through Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So today, let's talk about what I do on my day off. And then at the end, I want to test you to see if you fully understood what I was saying. So I will ask you some questions about my daily activities, and then you can answer in the comments and I'll tell you if you're correct. Before we get started, please hit the like button to show me that you love these videos. It keeps me motivated. Thank you so much for watching. In my last video, where I talked about my daily activities, I gave you what my normal routine is during the week. When I say during the week, I mean Monday through Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So why don't we talk about what I do on a typical day off? On my day off, I will wake up maybe around 7 a.m. For me, I consider that sleeping in. Have you ever heard of the term to sleep in? It means that you are sleeping past the usual time that you would wake up probably during the week. So during the week, or Monday through Friday, I wake up around 6 a.m., but on my day off, I sleep in until 7 a.m. As I get older, I am becoming more and more like a morning person. Have you ever heard of the term morning person? Can you guess what it means? It means someone who, I wouldn't say enjoys mornings, but they can tolerate getting up early so that they can have more time during the day to get things done. For me, if I sleep in for a long time, I will be really annoyed at myself because then I've already lost 3 or 2 hours where I could have been doing a vlog, or I could have been editing, or I could have been working on my Etsy shop. After I get up at 7 a.m., I will come to the kitchen and do my usual routine, which includes taking my morning medication. I drink a tall glass of warm water to help with my digestive system. I will take my dog for a walk around the block. After I bring my dog in, I wipe her paws and I make her breakfast as well as my cat's breakfast. I will also provide fresh water for both of them. I do not stick to a strict schedule on my day off because otherwise it won't feel like a day off if I have too much structure. But the one thing that I make sure that I do is go to a workout class. A workout class is another word for exercise class. I do various types of exercises, including yoga or Pilates or weight training or running. I like to stay healthy and fit, which is another word for strong. And depending on my mood, that will determine which kind of workout I will do. If I had a stressful week, I will probably sign up for yoga. I have been practicing yoga for maybe 30 years. Wait, let's see. I'm 36 years old now, and I started going to yoga. I'm doing some math. Okay, I'm sorry. That was a big exaggeration. I've been practicing yoga for almost 25 years. 22 to 25 years, not quite 30. I remember the first time I went to yoga, I was not old enough to drive, so my best friend's mom drove us to yoga. So I was probably around 14 years old. I've grown to absolutely love yoga because it helps to reduce stress, and the yoga facility I go to out here in LA or Los Angeles has a heated room, so it feels really nice when you're stretching. After my workout class, I will figure out what I want to eat for lunch. I have my usual places that I like to go to, including, as you may already know from my previous episodes, Breadhead, which is my favorite sandwich shop. Or I may go to a local grocery store that has a hot food bar so that I can quickly grab the food if I have a busy day. After I eat lunch, I will take my dog out again, and I will take her for a longer walk this time. Then I will shower. I will do my usual routine of my skincare regimen. Then I may sit down to do a vlog and edit right afterwards. If there is time, on my day off, my husband and I will explore the town, maybe check out a new art exhibit or new coffee shop, or we will plan to go to a nice dinner so that we can have a date night. In the evening, I may work on my Etsy store, which is my online store. And afterwards, my husband and I will either watch TV or we will watch a movie. Lately, I've been going to bed late or later than usual because I have a lot of things I need to do, including making sure that I edit a video so that it posts on YouTube the next day. Are you ready to be tested? I hope you are paying very close attention to my story. And now let's do question number 1. On my day off, what time do I normally wake up? Number 2, what does to sleep in mean? Number 3, What kind of workouts do I do on my day off? Number 4, what do I normally eat for lunch? I hope this test was not too difficult. What did you think about this story time and then the test afterwards? Is this helpful for you? Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.